Diane, I know that you think that you've never threatened to sue anybody, but actually you have. I found a few clips. A legal proceeding is pretty much the same as suing, by definition. You're bringing a case against somebody, so it's pretty much the same. So anytime that you say that you're going to bring legal proceedings, jump in cars, go to courthouses, and bring evidence and gather evidence, and that sounds like legal proceedings. So maybe I shouldn't have said the word sue, but they have the same definition. You are bringing a case against somebody legally, which is the definition of suing. So I just thought I'd throw that one out there.
This nonsense and these lies, I don't even care about that, because I never emailed you that I hired an attorney for a cease and desist, because cease and desists wouldn't work with you anyway. It's just an expensive piece of paper. So I have no problem hopping in my car and being in North Carolina on 29th, and if anyone wants me to pick them up, I'll pick you up on the way. I am just tired of it. I will not be accused of a crime. You would think that this woman who has to appear in court on the 29th would be laying low and stopping her bullshit and lies about people. Just because you got my name in your...
But I am trying to be serious about it. I'm not trying to waste my time. And so I would like information on how to deal with that. Legally, seriously.
Right.
I will go to an attorney. I have no problem. See, that's the other thing. I don't have a problem with money. I'm fine on my money. So I don't have a problem putting some money into this kind of an investment. Right. I'm happy to do it. And several of us are. Yeah. So that's not a problem.
I am super poor, but I'd like to be a part of this.
That's fine. We need you in for other things. That's fine.
Yeah, I mean, thank you for giving me a link, Diane. I know I was being ridiculous, but...
No, I wanted you to be able to come up and...
Yeah, Toon Cat, I'm not looking to put her in jail. I'm not. I don't need the woman in jail, for goodness sake. But I could see her legally being reprimanded by an attorney to shut up. And,
unfortunately, that's probably not going to stop her.
Well, then she can go sit in the cell for a couple days. That's fine. Or she can lose some money. That's fine, too. She's got a house. It's not like she doesn't have an asset.
And again, you know, I hate that it's come to this. I really have, you know, I really do. I hate that it's come to this, but if there's no other way to make it stop, then we've all, you know, talked about this behind the scenes and agreed that this is the only step that we can take.
Right.
Yeah.
Lacey, I get that, but...
The reason why I think Wendy or Diane struck my channel was a simple fact that on my first video, No Scruples, that got struck. The only difference in the video No Scruples and No Scruples 2 is the fact that Wendy's voice is not at the end talking about what happened to the child. So when I put the video back up, I took off the last 40 seconds of Wendy's voice, and then I reposted it. So the only thing that would be violent content would be Wendy's voice talking about what happened to the child, because on the other video that I put up, the second one, that was the only thing it was missing. So somebody please explain to me how my words in the second video did not require a strike, but in the second video, or the first video, it got struck because of Wendy's words and what Wendy was saying and her descriptive. So Diane, like, I'm thinking that if Wendy's words were so descriptive and violent content that it struck my channel, then I'm thinking that you should be taking yours down too, or somebody should be striking yours, because that's where it came from. And my version was not very long, and the version that I originally heard was 6 minutes long. So there's 6 minutes of it out there somewheres. My channel was struck for that reason. So this is why I am assuming that either Wendy, Diane, or one of their little followers decided that that was it. They were going to strike me. So if I came to that conclusion, I can't see any other conclusion that I could come to. Really? Who else would do it? I don't understand who else would do it. They didn't strike Diane's channel when it was first broadcast on her channel, so how did it turn violent and... what was the other one? Violent and... something else attached to that. I can't remember now. I took a picture of it, but I just don't have it handy with me.
I don't know, I don't know what will happen with Sam being banned from YouTube, whatever. But I assure you that, her legal department is going to be handling it, advising her on what steps to take. It will be handled. It will be handled. So that's really all I have to say on it. We will just keep supporting Wendy.
Us that anybody needs to worry about. It's the crazy fuckers that, are acting on our behalf or their behalf that are going to do crazy shit. And then we get the blame. It's crazy. We've taken so much blame for stuff that nothing of which we've been even a part of.